taxi-staanplek in Bellville is een van Kaapstad se besigste publieke vervoerterminusse. Dit is dus die ideale plek om 'n kliniek, spesifiek gerig op mans, te open. Die kliniek is Vrydag deur raadslid Lingiswa James ingewy.
We urge all men to use these services for their own benefit and benefit of their families and the entire society.
We've noticed the difference of, when it's our outreach days, like on the 1st of December, where we want everybody to come and get tested, you'll never see men there. But because we have this men's clinic, we saw it in Khayelitsha, men were there, and we thought this is a good idea. Now we have to focus on getting more of these men's clinics. And this is not the last. We are going to go further. In all our 8 sub-districts, we are going to have men's clinics there so that we address issues, health issues related to men in those clinics.
Die Bellville Mans Kliniek sal onder meer gratis seksvoorligting en vigstoetse bied en is so geleë om maklike toegang aan pendelaars wat onderweg na hul werk of huis is te verskaf.
The taxi drivers leave their homes at 4 a.m. to go on to start their work. When they come back late at 11, the clinics are long closed. So at least when it's in the taxi rank, that is not only for them only, they can easily go, when it's in the daytime, when it's not busy, they can easily access our clinic. And that also assists people that are working, that leave early, going to work and come late. They can, whilst going up back home, come into our clinic, access our clinic, and access our services. And because together, we have to fight HIV and AIDS, and we'll try everything to make it work.